ET-4700 printer review. In this review, we will be discussing in details about the Epson ET-4700 printer available in the market today. This review was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need Epson ET-4700 printer, this review will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Printer Ever present Epson ET-4700 printer review. Let's get started.
Introducing the new EcoTank ET-4700, an innovative super tank printer that eliminates the hassle of cartridges and gives you the freedom to print in color. With the EcoTank 4700, you'll save up to 90% on ink versus ink cartridges with ultra-low-cost replacement bottles. Print for about 1 cent per ISO color page versus about 20 cents per color page with cartridges. And EcoTank tanks deliver 15 times more pages than ink cartridges. Since 1 set of ink bottles is equivalent to about 80 individual ink cartridges, you'll also reduce waste. Plus, the EcoFit bottles are uniquely keyed for hassle-free filling of each color. The EcoTank 4700 provides convenient wireless printing through your smartphone or tablet, as well as voice-activated printing. And it provides extra flexibility with a 30-sheet auto document feeder, fax, and Ethernet connectivity. The EcoTank 4700 delivers convenience and value, so you can enjoy the freedom to print in color. Epson, exceed your vision.
This video shows you how to fill the ink tanks on your printer during initial printer setup. Before you begin, unpack your printer as shown on the Start Here sheet and place it on a level surface close to a power outlet. Also, be sure to review the notes, cautions, and warnings on the Start Here sheet. Open the ink tank cover. Note the color-coded stickers on the ink tank unit, and open the ink tank cap for the black ink tank. Remove the black ink bottle from its packaging. Hold the bottle upright and slowly turn the bottle cap to remove it. Do not shake or squeeze the bottle. The top of each ink bottle is designed to fit into the ink tank slot of the same color. Position the top of the bottle along the slot and slowly stand the bottle up to insert it. Wait for the ink to fill the tank. Do not squeeze the bottle. Ink flows into the tank and stops automatically when the ink is just below the upper line. If ink does not flow from the bottle, lift and reinsert the bottle. When ink stops flowing, remove the bottle. Securely close it with the cap and set the bottle aside. You may need it later. Then, close the ink tank cap. Repeat this process for the other colors. When you are finished filling the ink tanks, close the ink tank cover. Connect the power cord. Then raise the control panel and turn on the printer. Select your language, country, time zone, date, and time. When you see this screen, press and hold the Help button for 5 seconds. When this screen appears, press the Start button to start charging the ink. Ink charging takes about 10 minutes. Do not unplug or turn off the printer, or open the inner cover while the ink is charging, or you'll waste ink. A message appears on the screen when ink charging is finished. Press OK to continue. Press OK to select Adjust, then follow the on-screen instructions to adjust the print quality. When you are finished adjusting the print quality, if any ink remains in the ink bottles, refill the ink tanks. open the ink tank cover again. Use the remaining ink in the bottles to refill the tanks. Make sure you replace the bottle caps before disposing of the bottles. When you are finished refilling the ink tanks, close the ink tank caps and the ink tank cover. Press the left or right arrow button to highlight Maintenance, then press OK. Select Reset Ink Level and press OK. Press Start twice. Then use the control panel buttons to select the color for each tank that you refilled. Press Start to reset the ink levels and complete ink filling. When you see this screen, press OK. Follow the rest of the instructions on the Start Here sheet to continue setting up your printer. Occasionally check the ink levels as you use your printer. If the ink level in any tank is at or below the lowest mark, refill the tank. Do not let the ink levels reach the bottom of the tanks, or you may damage your printer. This video shows you how to connect your Epson printer to a wireless network. In this demonstration, you will be using the printer's control panel to select wireless settings. Before you start, make sure you have a wireless network already set up. Your network may include one or more computers or devices and an internet modem connected to a router. Before making a connection, make sure that your router is wireless. Now let's set up your Epson printer and add it to your network. When you're done, you'll be able to print wirelessly from your computer. You can add the ability to print from another computer later on. Follow the steps on the Start Here sheet. The Start Here sheet shows you how to physically set up your printer. When you get here, install your printer software. If you are using a Windows computer, insert the CD that came with your printer. If you are using a Mac or your computer does not have a CD or DVD drive, download and run the product's software package from the Epson support site. When you see this screen, click Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the software. This can take several minutes. At this screen, select Wireless Connection and click Next. At this screen, select Set up printer for the first time and click Next. If the installer is able to detect your wireless settings, you see this screen, select Yes and click Next. Then follow the rest of the on-screen instructions. The installer will automatically connect the product to your network, and your setup is now complete. If the installer is unable to detect your wireless settings, you see this screen. Select Using Control Panel and click Next. You will need your wireless network's name and password in order to set up your printer. This information will automatically appear on the screen if your computer is connected to a wireless network. Click Show Network Password to display the password. Then, copy down the wireless network name and password exactly as shown. When you're done, click Next. When you see this screen, look at your printer's control panel. Press the Home button. Press the right arrow button to select Wi-Fi Setup. Then press OK. Press OK to select Wi-Fi Recommended. Press OK. Then press OK again to select Wi-Fi Setup Wizard. Press the up or down arrow button to select your network's name, then press OK. Next, enter your wireless password. To select a lowercase letter, uppercase letter, or number, press a number button repeatedly. For example, press the 2 button to select A, B, C, or 2. You can also press this button to switch the character type. If your password contains upper or lowercase letters, be sure to enter them in the correct case. select a symbol, press the 1 button repeatedly. Press the right arrow button to move to the next character. Press the right arrow button again to enter a space, or press this button to delete characters. When you're done entering your password, press OK. Your printer is connected to your wireless network. Follow the rest of the instructions on the computer screen to finish installing the software. You are now ready to print wirelessly. If you want to print from another Windows computer, insert the CD that came with your printer. If you are using a Mac or your computer does not have a CD or DVD drive, download and run the product's software package from the Epson support site. At this screen, select "The printer is already on my wireless network." Follow the rest of the instructions on the computer screen to install the software. You can repeat this process for additional computers. You are now ready to print wirelessly from your computers.